you forgot a P. The table shows prices for bus tickets. How big is the difference between the price for a standard ticket and an online ticket for a child? Am I allowed to use a calculator? Because how can I show you my work? Should I get my iPad? Then you can see it. Paint's too hard. I'll go grab my iPad. We're doing this now. We're doing math quiz now. This is exactly how I want to spend my birthday party. Doing math. Slay. All right. I am ready for my daily humiliation. Where does it go? Ah. This is not very math music. Can I adjust this a little bit more? Is there a better way to view this? Download it so you can write in it too. Bruh? Could I download this to my iPad? How hard would that be to achieve? Wait, Metris, can you link it again? I'll try and get it on my iPad directly. Thank you. Download this. Please. Oh, slay. Welcome to Apple Bucks. Thank you so much. Okay. iPad. It's gonna look like shit anyway. This is... yeah, okay. You know what? I think for everyone's mental health, you should not do this. That makes me want to do it more. The table shows prices. If I do this, but then zoom, that's it. Yes! Fuck you. Stop! Why? Do as you're told! Oh my god. This thing is fighting me. Okay, just stay like that. How big is the difference between the price? Can I write? How do I write? I would like to write in this. Ta-da! Oh, slay! Oh, yippee! Okay. Okay, go away. How big is the difference between the price for a standard ticket and an online ticket for a child? I already need a calculator! Okay, I don't need a calculator. A standard ticket? There's only children tickets. There's only children tickets, no adult tickets. Am I a bike? If I had the wheel, I would be a bike. Okay. Online ticket. How big is the difference between the price for a standard ticket? Are you shitting me? Let me live my life. Do I have to have this menu here the entire time? No. There's no standard ticket. These are only for children. Do you see why I'm confused? What? Child? Ticket. We are at an impasse. But then all standard tickets are for children! That's what I'm saying! The table shows prices for bus tickets. Child, up to 16 years, costs 75 kroners. If you buy it online, it costs 64, right? I am annoyed because the standard ticket and an online ticket for child, these are both for children. But the standard ticket makes it sound like that's an adult ticket, but it ain't. So we would have to find a difference. Like that, there's one. The answer is 11 kroners difference. Easy. How much does 2 online child tickets cost? So that would be 64 and 64, which is 8. And then 12. 128. And... No, but this is not online! No, it is! It was. Okay, 128. And 2 bike tickets. Okay, are they online? Nobody told me. I'm gonna assume that if I'm buying tickets online, I might as well get all the tickets online. The questions are misleading. Oh, they cost the same. So it's okay. I see. Okay. So that would be 42. Which is 10, 6, 7, 1. 170. That doesn't sound right. No, it sounds right. It's very expensive. If I had to buy tickets for 2 kids and 2 bikes and it costs 170, I don't know, I felt like I got ripped out. If you buy a ticket 3 weeks in advance, you save 20%. $17. Just delete one. Why are you a pen? I don't do percentages. I don't know how to do percentage. Oh, it's 1/5. That doesn't help. What's the price of a standard ticket bought for a child 3 weeks in advance? So it would be 75 minus 20%. I don't know how to put this, how to write it out. That's the problem. What I could do is do 75 and divide it by 5. That I could do. Maybe. And how you do that is by starting in the back, I think. I might have to try a couple different solutions here and see what sticks, because I don't remember this at all. But if I start from the back, 5 divided by 5 is 1. You get 1 each. 7 divided by 5, it's 1, but a little bit more. So this is problem. It's not, this is not how you do it. This is not how you do it. Do you start in front then? How am I supposed to get the decimals in there? 7 divided by 5. Why don't I just do 75 divided by 5 immediately in my head? Okay. We just have to work with numbers that I can relate to. What if I do 50 divided by 5? That's easy. That's 10. Which leaves 15 divided, that's a 5, divided by 5. If I can add this to this number, I will find the answer. Is it less than 15? Is it 25? 50, 60, so it's 25, okay. That's okay! I know that. No. It's 4. Wait, let me cook. 20 divided by 5. That's 5. I can't think. If I have 20 kroners divided by 5 people, that's not enough. 25 is enough. So that is 5. It's 5. So 15 is the total of these two, which means that if I get them 20% off the price of 75, it would mean it's 75 minus 15 kroners, and that is oh, it made a perfect 0. It's not 60, or is it? It might be 60. This is 0 and this is 6. 60 kroners. So I am arriving at the answer. It's just, I'm just going a little bit around it, maybe. What do you mean no help? I'm done. Don't tell her if it's correct. That's fucked up. What do you mean done? If you buy a ticket 3 weeks in advance, you save 20%. What is the price of a standard ticket bought for a child 3 weeks in advance? I am looking for 75%, no, 75, 20% off. That's 60. That's my answer. What do you mean I'm not done? I'm done. Next. I don't know how to... Next page, please. Potatoes! Below is Mikkel's list of ingredients for soup for 4 people. Butter, onions, potato, leek, bouillon, cream. How many? Hi! Thank you. For the 12 years. I'm trying. Soup. How many grams of potatoes does Mikkel need for soup for 16 people? This is for 4 people. 4, 8, 12, 16. I have to times by 4. Easy. 2,000 grams, also known as 2 kilos of potato. Easy. Okay, what is this? And what does that mean? What is this Danish math? I literally don't know what the fuck that means. I have never seen this in my life. It's 2.5? Or 2 halves? 2.5. Okay. 2 2.5s? Is this okay? Can I leave it like this? How many people can Mikkel cook soup for at most if he has 2.5 deciliters of cream? Well, I will refer to this. He has enough cream for this. He has enough cream for this. And halfway the cream for this. So he has enough cream for 10 people. I feel like I'm acing this. How much bouillon should Mikkel use for soup for 6 people? What? Six people. What is this? 3 quarts. 3 quarts liter? 3 quarts liter? That's really annoying that you would say it like that. This is 7.5 deciliters. Right? One liter is 10 deciliters. 10 divided by 4. You know? And then add 3 of those together, you get 7.5. I don't know how much this is though, but I do know that this is correct. Don't ask me how. Hey! 7.5 for 4 people. If he wants 6 people to have soup, it's 7.5 deciliters for 4 people. I need to add 2 halves of 7.5. No. I need to figure out the answer here. That's what needs to happen right now. Divided by equals 2, 4, 6, 8. That's no. Is it 3.3333 bullshit? Because that's fucked up. Oh! It's 2.5. 2, 4, 6, 8. That leaves 2. If I split them in half 4 times, it's 2.5. It's 2.5 deciliter of bouillon per people. So all I have to do is do this times 6. How do I times with decimals? I know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, 2 times 6 is 12. Am I stupid? Don't answer that. Okay, what about the decimals, though? 6 halves is 3. Which makes it no longer 12, but 15. Holy shit. I am doing it. I am so inspired. Leaders! Slay. Yes, I hear the music. Why do you think I got so inspired to do awesome things? Of course there's a bike question. Make go cycles 5 kilometers in 15 minutes. How fast is Mikkel's average speed? You want this an hour? So I need to find out if he kept this up for an hour. Wouldn't it still be 5 kilo? No, see that doesn't work like that. 5 kilometers in 15 minutes. So I can assume that he will bike 20 kilometers in an hour if he keeps up this average speed. Because 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm nailing this. Luna cycles at an average speed of 18 kilometers per hour. How far in 40 minutes? This is a big problem. I don't even know how to solve this. What? How far in 40 minutes? If 100% is 18 kilometers that she could be able to make in a whole hour. But we are not at 100%. We are at 4/6. I'm 17 minutes in. Oh, this is horrible. Converted to miles per hour. Miles? Oh, meter! Meter per timme. Okay. That is... Just add a 0. I don't know why though. I'm skipping. I'm skipping. I'll do the last instead. Luna or Mikael share half a liter soda. They get the same amount each. How much soda do they get each? In liters. Easy. Not 2 liter. 0.25 liters. Jasmine has bought half a liter of soda. Sophie has bought 1.25 liter of soda. This is unrealistic. What the fuck kind of bottle is 1.25? How much more soda? 75. Right? What is this? I never heard with the thunder. You're so cool. You better solve this for me later. Oh, what the fuck, man? Skip. Skip. Skip, skip. Get me out of here. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, bruh. Which charts fit this table? The table shows how many students have 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 TV screens where they live. Which chart fits the table? Oh! Okay, so the number in the bottom is clearly referring to the amount of screens. Oh. Bitches. I'm looking for whichever one has the most in the one, which is these two. Excuse me, but are these two not similar? Oh, they have different percentages. Oh, shit. Why do we have to have percentage? That's lame. What do you mean percentage? How does percentage fit here at all? It's not this one. The second most needs to be 2 screens. And that's not this one. So it's one of these. How are these not the same? They are not the same because these percentage values are not the same. What does it mean? The 3 here is on 2%, and here it's more than 5%. Okay. What does that mean? That sounds like too much. I'm going with this one. That's my guess, and I'm sticking to it. Ah! Ah! Die. The box plot shows the distribution of heights of 200 students. Oi, 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 oi. What the fuck is a box plot? Probability? Ay, 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 ay. Show me the next slide. Oh, that's it. Okay, maybe I'll try the math. Why not? I hate 9. 8 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So it's 17. 18 plus 1 is 19. 18 plus 1 is 19 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slay. Easy. Men vad gör du? It's not even a 2. Minus 5 and you take away 5 is 0. 4 and you take away 0 is 4. 0 and you take away 3. That's a big problem. You have to borrow from your neighbor. So, oops. And now you have the 1 less here, but you have 10 here. And now you know it's 7. And now that's a 2. Boom, boom. 2, 7, 40. Multiplication. We meet again. I'm gonna turn it around for ease, because then you can... No, this is... I don't remember the difference, how you put them up with the multiplication and the division. I'm gonna do this differently. Eight, 9, 10, 11. Looking at it now, I don't know if this is easier. Well, this is 0. Boom. 5. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's 10 times. 55, 60. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. So that's 20. 24 plus 6 is 30. 3 motherfucking thousand. And that's my final answer, baby. I don't remember how to do it, but I figured it out. Now, division. Division I can set up exactly like this, no? Do I do it? No, because you can. There's a lot of zeros here. Can I do division like borrowing 10? Thank you, Luke XP, for 21 months. Yeah, but that's... I'm trying to remember it, Metris, but I don't remember. Like, I would... Oops. I would do, like... I don't remember if I'm supposed to... I think I'm supposed to start in the back. If I do... But then I have to move decimals or something. Shit, man. Do I start in the beginning? Can you at least tell me that? Do I start here? Now I do minus. Wait. Is this coming back to me? 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and then what? Can I put 5? Maybe. How about the 0? That's a big problem. Stop helping, Yabblingbot. I can do 200 on the top of my head. I know that much. Because it's the same, just put a 0. So that's 50. $200 divided by 4 is 50. I don't know how to put this up though. Does the 50 go here? Do I now divide 40 by... I know that because that's 10. That looks like a lot. Maybe it isn't? That looks plausible. Oh, but it totally is. I think I got it. Because now I'm feeling solo. See it? That's an L, but it's actually a 1. No, I understood it in my brain. I'm pretty happy with this page. I think I got this page right. Not bad. Now this might big problem. 5 times plus 9. Huh? Oh, X. Not 5 times. Okay. Oh, shit. Something plus 9 equals 34. $50 what something plus 9? Wait, I don't understand that. That doesn't make any sense. That's not how X works. There's like an invisible multiplication here, right? Yeah. That's cheating, by the way. Mathematicians just putting secret fucking signs in there that you're just supposed to know beforehand. It's rude. It's ableist. No, mods, I should actually be able to ask very, very simple questions like that, because that at least gives me a chance to get it right. Who said no help? Since when? But if I'm asking for clarifications about something I think I already know, I think that should be fine. So 5 times something plus 9 equals 34. Okay, so 5 times 1 is just 5, and that's clearly not the answer. Hi, miss! There's a miss on her throne. 5 times 2 is 10, and that's not 34 if you add it to 15 plus 9. That sounds like not a lot. 20 plus 9, that's 29. So we're getting closer. So 6 then. That makes sense to me. Seven sounds too much. Well, now there's 2 x's. Oh, but the x is the same number. That's a good clue. 3 times something plus 4 is the same as 6 times something minus 5. Okay, let's do 1. That's clearly not true. 3 times 2 plus 4. That's 6 plus 4, that's 10. 6 times 2 is 12, minus 5 is not 10. So that's not correct. 6 times 3 is 9. Plus 4 is... I don't like 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is also a horrible math number. 6 times 3, 6, 12. That's the answer. That sounds very believable. It's 3. We're going off of vibes here. Six times something divided by 4 plus 1 equals 4. What the fuck? Zombie. Zombie. 6 times... Okay, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 divided by 4. So that would be 6 divided by 4. Plus 1. I feel like that could be the answer. Based off of vibes. 6, what is it though? 6 times 6 divided by 4. Because that's less. No, it's one point something. That doesn't work. Because that's just no decimal. What about 12 divided by... 12 divided by 4. That sounds reasonable. Plus 1? Yeah, I'll do that. Boobs guy! To me, the vibes are vibing. Write the decimal number twice the size of 1.51. Zombie. Why decimal number? Twice the size. Doesn't decimal number just mean that this is a decimal number, no? He got banned. I'm not surprised. Because he accidentally said Yabbe. He wrote Yabbe show boobs. Like he was excited for the Yabbe show. And then he yelled boobs excitedly. But because he put it all together, it became Yabbe show boobs. Very, very silly mistake to do. No, he wanted to be like, Yabbe show! Boobs! Like celebratory, you know? It's a very common mistake to make. Happens to the best of us. Is this a decimal number? Just answer me. Is a decimal number any number that has a fucking comma? No, you can tell me if that's correct. And no one knows. Okay, I'm gonna work off of the assumption that that's the case then. All I have to do is just add. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. Get the comma. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Write 6% as a decimal number. Oh, that's easy. 100 is 1. Right? And then like that. That was actually really clever. No, because look, this is 100%. If I wrote, you are laughing, but you are wrong. Because if I did, like that, then that would be 160%. Right? Okay, it's one of these. I'm gonna write them both and hope that I have a nice teacher. Because you made me insecure. Listen to what you said. Yes! That's this! Write 6% as a decimal number. Okay. Oh! Okay. I got caught up in the wrong details. God damn it. Fuck. Okay. 6%. It's not a hole. It's this. Got it. I'm smart. Write a fraction that is half as big as 3/5. Half as big. You can't put decimals in fractions, can you? Did you used to cheat? No. Are you kidding me? I have no poker face. You think I was cheating? Half as big. I just need to get the proportions right. As long as the proportions are correct. So if I double them both, that would be 6/10. How does that help, though? That doesn't help me at all. Half as big. But I can't just do half because that's decimals. Right? I don't think I can do like that. Am I allowed to put decimals? Wait! I could remove the decimals and it would proportionally still be half. Because the proportions are the same. That's my final answer. The proportionally, this is not it. How though? Because 10/25 is smaller than 3/5. Right? Because half of 3 is 1.5. Oh. Oops. So it should be 15. And 2.5 is 25. Now it looks bigger. Now I don't know anymore. Now the vibes are completely off. What do you mean not count this? You better count my fucking answers. I'm not sure about the vibe check anymore. Okay, but let's say, okay, now I have the proportions. Now let's make them smaller. Write a fraction that is half as big. This is not answered. It's half as big. No? I'm okay with this. How am I cheating? The proportions are smaller in reality. But you still have 15 pieces of cake instead of 3 pieces of cake. That's not passing the vibe check. The vibes are off. Here's a cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3/5. I can't divide a 3 or a 5. Okay. Now it's 10 pieces. And I will eat 6 of them. This is still bigger. But still smaller. I feel like I'm close, but how am I supposed to deal with these prime numbers? Prime numbers could go suck a fucking fat one, by the way. Hate prime numbers. Stupid. I need primers. You're right, because this, I gave myself even numbers here. This is even numbers. That I can work with. I can, if I divide these by half, that's 3/5. My God. How that doesn't help me at all. I already had this answer here. What I forgot this part. Half as big. I don't understand. What does that mean? I can't convert it. It has to be a fraction. Half. There's no half of 5. There's no half of 5. I'm pretty sure you can't put decimals and fractions. I'm arguing with myself. I am not sure at fucking all that I can put decimals and fractions, and I am working off of the assumption that I'm not allowed. And this is a big problem. Because that would be way too easy. I don't know, I thought I wasn't allowed. I'm leaving that. We have to move on. 12 plus 3 is 15 divided by the times 4. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 times 2, 60? Motherfucking 60. That's it. No, I didn't have a follow-up. Is this one of them motherfucking hidden... That was way too easy. See, I don't know. I don't like you, math, when you hide things from me and you lie and you cheat. Because I was doing it like this. But actually, it's like this. Because you have to multiply before you addition. I know that. 3 times 4. 4, 8, 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Slay. This is impossible! That's not right. Why does my pen keep switching to eraser? I don't know why. How do I put this up? Why? I can't think! Teacher, I'm gonna need added time. I'm gonna need added time, teach. Shut up! This is good visualization. One put two. We're like here. It's about to get 2 degrees colder. Which would put us 1, 2. Which puts up right a little bit less than 1. That means 0.8. I'm going off of vibes here. I feel like that sounds appropriate. Now you put parentheses out in the open. -2 times 3. Yeah, that is... Thank you, Crane! Sorry that you got shot. But I knew that. I knew that because teacher would have given me that point because I showed my work and I knew that it was less than 0 actually, so. That was just an oversight. No, but I showed my work. Yes, you did count this one. What do you mean? You can't just make up your own rules. I had the correct answer though. You're just mean if you don't give me that one. You're being ableist. Can you multiply negative numbers? Yes. No? Does -2 times 3 become -6 or +6? This is the question. Okay. Let's work under the assumption that it's -6 plus 3, 6. -6 plus 6 equals 0. Okay. And then the other way is 6 plus 6. And that would be 12. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to multiply minus 2. Can I get half a point for showing my work? It's one of these. Hello! Thank you for the finger for 11 Monteronis. 1/2 plus 1/3 equals... Oh, Lord. It's not 2/5, I'll tell you that much. Wait, is it 2/5? Am I allowed to do that? Yeah, why not? Why not? If this is cake. That's too easy, though. But it could be a trick question. It could be a trick question. Where you're like, that looks too easy. Huh? What? Can't. If I overlap them, then it would look like this. How does that help, though? No. That's not it. You can't just overlap. You have to add. So, hold on. 2/5 would look like this. Not like that. 2/5 look... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2/5 look like that. That's definitely not enough. So this is not correct. Not correct. Julie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. I can change the numbers, right? I can change the numbers into 10. How does that help? Yes, I can. Because if I change the number into 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not... I can't draw. I can take this circle that's already half filled, and instead of dividing it into 2, I'm gonna divide it into 10, which means I need to add 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not helping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuck, bitching, bitch. Hold on, I'll get there. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm visualizing. Maybe 10 is too much big number. I think I read it in unnecessarily big. Three is 6. 4 and 6. Oh, if I want to change something, I just have to do the proportions have to be right. Wait, I'm getting there. So I can literally just double it, and the proportions will be correct. This is a game of proportion. Okay, now the hard part is done. Now I will divide this into 4. Oh my god, that was so much easier. And I'm going to divide this into 6. That's the worst circle I've ever seen. Slay! Okay, so now it looks like this, and it still looks like this. Okay. And then what? Wait. I need to do this times 3. 2, 4, 6. So I will have 6 pi. That's okay. The proportions are still the same. Now it's 3 and 2 slices. And we're still operating in sixths. So we have 3 slices plus 2 slices leaves 1 remaining slice. 1, 6. That sounds smaller. The problem is now that this is 1/6, but that sounds smaller than this, and I added them. So that's not right. I know this isn't right. Let me figure it out. Oh, no, because the... Okay, no, yes, thank you, yep. I recovered. This is... I'm actually like... My armpit activated during this math quiz. I'm struggling. I'm literally sweating. I don't know if I have any chance in hell at this. Geometry. Surely I'm out of time. 1 hour left. Get the fuck out. I don't want to do this. Which expression corresponds to the area of the hexagon for all? I'm clueless. Put an X in each task. I have a 1 in 5th chance of getting this right. Those are good odds. Those are good odds. Odds are in my favor. Not really. Eight divided by a half. This is so unrealistic. Who's this half person? Why? Because I'm picturing 8 kroners being divided into people, or 8 pieces of pie, or 8 anything. But a half a person is on the receiving end. That fucks up everything for me. What do you mean a half? It's not 40, I'll tell you that much. It's going to be very little. You're out. You're out. Which means that you're out too. 8 divided by 0.5. It's not gonna be 4 because 8 divided... Shut up! Did I cross out? I just crossed out the correct answer, didn't I? Thank you, Club, for the prime. Don't let me second guess myself. This... Let me look at the other one. This is not part of the question. Get this out of here. .6 divided by 5. Who would ever ask this? This is an unrealistic question. If you have a container that only holds half a liter, then you divide 8 liters. How many containers would you need? I bought this really, really, really beautiful 1 deciliter and a half deciliter cups. They're blue. Blue. How many half liter cups would I need to get 8 liters? Why don't you just ask that instead? Then I have a visual. It's twice as many as 1. Wait. If I had 1 liter cups, I would need 8 of them. Half of them is 4. No, it's more. Stop talking, I'm trying to think. I can't. up. Half-liter cups. How many do I need to make 8 liters? That's the question. Many. It's... I can't. Because it's twice the amount I would need if they were 1 liter. But twice the amount of 8 is 16. I crossed that one out based on vibes. Are you telling me my vibes are off? When you divide by less than 1, it becomes more? Oh my god. But what if you divide less by 1 by a big number? Then it's opposite. It has to be, right? Because you can't divide this little on 5 people. You have to make more zeros. I have 6 deciliter. I'm dividing it by 5 people. How many liters do they get? That's my question. It's a little bit more... Oh my god. No. They get 1 deciliter each. And then a little bit is left over. Okay. Is this the answer then? No, but no, because that would be liter. What? Why liter? No, so I have to move the decimal from here to here to make it deciliter. But the answer is liter, which makes it, I move the decimal. Boom. Right? Why was that quiet? Why quiet alert? The love I have for Yabbe is like dividing by 0 because it cannot be defined. This would probably be a better pickup line if I understood the implications. Thank you, Starfall, for the 11 month. Happy belated birthday. I'm doing a math quiz for middle school. I'm not confident about my answer. I am supposed to answer this in liter, but I solved it for deciliter. I have 6 deciliter milk. 5 people want some. They get 1 deciliter each, and then some. Now, I want to make the deciliters into a liter. I move the comma. And I can't do a comma in front of nothing, so that would be that. Okay, no, I'm good with my answer. What the fuck is it? Why was that so late? You good there, Stream Elements? A deciliter is 0.10 liters. I'm happy with my answer. I think I got this. Okay, so volume. I don't want to look at that. I'm done, Teach. Teach, I'm done. It's been good enough time. I'm out of time. These kids are supposed to do this in 1 hour. Please do more. I don't know how. Problem with these is like, you can't just think yourself to this. You have to fucking learn the equations and bullshit. I got a D. I'm okay with that. Wait, can we go through the answers then? What did I get correct? Oh, wow. Okay, I will correct it how you say it. Red. Okay. 1. Is this correct? 11 kroners. All of 1 is correct. So all of these are correct? Check, 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 baby. Slay. Okay, how about the taters? 200 grams of potatoes. 2-3 is wrong. But the rest are correct? Correct, correct. Why is this wrong? What's the answer? How much bouillon should Mikkel use for soup? But give me the answers too. 9 eighths. Huh? 1.15. Aww. Where did the 1 come from? Okay, how about the bike? I gave up on Luna. Fuck, I forgot to come back to that. 1125? See, you can't even do it. But this is correct. And this one I didn't fucking answer. Okay, how about the Fanta? Slay, slay. See, I'm good with liters and deciliters and stuff like that because I know what it means. Okay. How about this? Don't blame you. All of 5 is correct. I was really impressed here, even though you did it dumb. If I did it and it's correct, it's not dumb. Actually. I even showed my work. Okay, so, I mean, what I've answered is correct. How about these? These I got nervous about. But actually, I think I did it. 6.1 is wrong. What's the answer? Lame. Yeah, I went off vibes here. 5 sounded too little. Dang it. Okay, these I went vibes too, and they were correct, so. How about my pies? If I get 7 correct, I'm actually very happy with that. Only one of them right? What? No, you count that. That's correct. What's the answer to 3? What do you mean you don't count this one? What? That's not the thermometer one. Why don't you give me this one? That's not the thermometer question. No, you do. That's my answer, and I'm sticking to it. Oh, it was that one. Yeah, okay, but that's because, okay. I get half a point. I wasn't done yet when I wrote 1. That was just half of the train of thought. 2 middle ones are wrong. Are you not giving me this one correct because of the thermometer? Because that's fucked up. Is this the correct answer? 0.8. Then it's correct. Clearly, my train of thought was correct. No, Smuggerin, I figured that one out myself. You guys are mean. This is correct. This is correct. Why is this wrong? What's the answer here? Eh? I can't read what you're saying. Okay, how about these? Oh. Okay. Slay. Yeah, exactly. Like, yeah. It's not gonna do anything for me, bud. How about this? This is the last one I did. Skip question on choose math. You sit down and do this with no help. Good fucking luck. This is the kind of stuff that the knowledge you acquire to take a test and then you forget about it again. What's the correct one? It was the blue one? Damn. That was my second choice. You don't really forget the basics. You guys are so fucking smart. All of you, you're so fucking smart. I'm pretty happy with that. I got... How many wrong answers did I get? How many answers did I fucking... I'll have to do math to figure out how many wrong answers I got. There's 3. Can you tell me how many questions out of how many questions I answered I got correct? But I didn't answer 50 questions. This is the problem. No, I know for the purpose, if I submitted this in middle school, that's what they would tell me. I want to know how many questions I answered correctly. Forget about the ones I didn't. Fine, I'll do it myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 questions I answered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I don't remember how many questions I said total. $21 out of 26? Wait, real? That's a really good grade. It's 27 because you missed one. Okay, what's my grade what's my grade now? If I got 21 out of 27. That's a really good grade all of a sudden. No, I'm asking the math teacher here. I'm not doing this one. To be fair, the only 2 students who get less than 50% probably should be the special class. They both have diagnosis. Are you talking about your class right now? So I have a diagnosis, is what you're saying. Here's the thing, though. I probably would perform a lot better on this if I trained for it. Exactly. Because I cannot tell you last time I had to figure out volume. Thank you, Kronval. When's the last time you calculated the volume of a fucking box? To be fair, you didn't even try. I wouldn't know where to start. That's the problem. I wouldn't know where to start. Am I supposed to guess? I'm not a mathematician. We all did this weekend. That's not fair. Did you go to school? No. Convert to liters. Doesn't help. What's your exam about tomorrow? Just focus. Yeah, that's so, you know how annoying that is when you don't know how to do something? Just think harder. Think harder about what? There's nothing there. You're so clean. You fucking color the cube. It's like, this cube's not my fucking problem. You figure it out. These lines are parallel. How big is the angle? Ugh. I could probably have vibed myself into the close enough answer. Because I know that a circle is 360. I know the half a circle is 180. And from there, I could have gone off of vibes. Maybe. You can't... figure out when they intersect. I wouldn't know how to do that, maybe. Ugh. Ugh. I'm over it. What circle? Degrees, motherfucker! This. I know that this is 360. That is literally cheating, Nina. I would use your engineering math book as leftover toilet paper. If I ever run out of toilet paper, I would start tearing out pages from your fucking math engineering book and wipe my ass with them. Why? Why is that rude? Women don't poop? I piss out of my ass. It's obviously what I meant. Smartest streamer? I also have a master's degree. Does that make you feel better? I have a master's degree and my professor begged me to do a PhD. I said, no thanks. I'm gonna go play video games.